When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 26th of September. I'm James Spann. A dry pattern setting up for at least the next 7 days. Summer-like weather continues tomorrow. Then we cool down by the weekend. And the tropics are active. Maybe some Gulf mischief in about 10 days. Let's go there and check things out today. This is the water vapor satellite view. Same deal, very high amplitude pattern across the country. Cold trough in the west, a very warm ridge in the east. Around here, we are in the 80s in most spots. Birmingham, 86. Montgomery, 91. Look around the region. You can pick out that strong cold front that's between Little Rock and Tulsa. Tulsa down to 75. Little Rock at 87. And we'll see the cooler air. It filters in here by the end of this week, and we'll enjoy a really nice weekend ahead. And look at the thermal contrast around the nation. What a gradient. In Oklahoma, down in the southeastern tip of the state, they're sitting at 90. Back in the Panhandle, they're sitting only in the low 60s. And again, we'll watch that slow progression of the cooler air working down this way. But thankfully, no severe weather despite that contrast. Just a marginal risk of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight for parts of far west Texas around El Paso. Rain, how about nothing? Zero, zilch. This is the rain through Tuesday of next week, and don't panic. I know we had the drought last year, and people see that, and it brings back memories, but understand we are now in the driest time of the year, late September, the month of October. It doesn't rain a lot here this time of the year unless there's a tropical system involved. And speaking of the tropics, a couple of systems on the board, Lee and Maria. Lee, a compact hurricane in the middle of nowhere, and it stays in the middle of nowhere. A fish storm. No threat to land. Winds are at 105 miles an hour now. It should weaken this weekend up in the North Atlantic. And Maria, love those GOES 16 loops. Minimal hurricane, 75-mile-per-hour wind. Should be a tropical storm tonight. Again, a tropical storm warning for the Outer Banks of North Carolina. They could see winds of 39 miles per hour or higher. Then it kicks out to sea. And should be subtropical this weekend up in the North Atlantic. All right, model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Trough in the southwest. Down below that, sunny and hot, highs around 90, much like today. Maria skirting the Outer Banks. A cold front north and west of here with not much moisture. And Thursday, it just kind of comes through in dry fashion. Notice the gradient picks up. Thursday, the high will drop in the mid-80s. We'll have a good north breeze of 10 to 20 miles an hour. The humidity starts to come down. Sky will be sunny, and this is Friday. We'll start the day Friday, maybe in the 50s in many spots. The high Friday in the low 80s. A very refreshing day. Great weather for high school football. Saturday, sunny, comfortable. Many spots in the 50s to start the day. The high upper 70s to near 80. And the same thing on Sunday. Just a glorious weekend with low humidity as we catch the edge of a cool, dry continental air mass passing north of us. Go to Monday, same thing. Sunny, high 77 to 80. And a week from today, a 594 heat bubble. Look at that over Texas and Oklahoma. We're kind of on the periphery of that, thank goodness. Down below that, that should be a dry, comfortable day. Highs probably around 80 and lows around 60. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, October 6th. Still got ridging over much of the country, and again, that's a dry look. It looks like we probably won't see rain maybe for the next 10 days. We have seen other runs that looked a little wet toward the end of next week. This run does not. And again, we note evidence down there in the far western Caribbean of some maybe tropical mischief. Let's check the European. This is the same day, Friday of next week, October 6th, and it's got tropical mischief in the southern Gulf of Mexico. So we'll see what happens down there. We've had Harvey that came into Texas, but really the water closer into the northern Gulf has really not been touched. SSTs are warming. Just something to watch for. This is the chance of tropical storm formation out there at the end of next week. And it's only 0 to 10%, but the pattern favors something like that, so we'll just keep an eye out for it. Numbers coming off the GFS, they coming down. They are coming way down. I don't think it's going to be quite this cool. It's got mid-70s Sunday and Monday. I think high should be 77 to 80, but still obviously much more comfortable as we get into the month of October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.